Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So today you can see that we have built a very basic custom component, that is the hydropower generator within the what's called as the proteus. Okay, so this is a very simple component, and one more thing, that it don't have any sort of library. If you want to use this component in your project, then you should have to download the same file whose link is given in the description. Okay, there isn't any sort of library file, again I'm saying. Okay, so you should have to download the file whose link is given in the description. So there are two terminals of this hydropower generator, and we can get 220 volt out of it. Okay, so okay, let's start this. Okay, now it is giving 220 AC volts. Okay, now we will do one more thing, that we will try to run some sort of load on it. So we will go for components like this. We will go for lamp. We will take our lamp, animated one. Okay, we will see either it will work or not. Yes, wait. Okay, and we also need to change its voltages to 220 volts. Okay, now when we run it out, we can see that our lamp is on. So in this way we can simulate our hydropower generator within the proteus. So if there is any sort of confusion, you can comment down and I will respond you in some hours. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.